In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create abandoned checkout email Klaviyo. To begin, log in to your Klaviyo account and look at the main navigation. Find and click Flows. Flows are where you build automated email sequences that send based on customer behavior, like starting a checkout and then leaving before completing the purchase. Once you are on the Flows page, click Create Flow. When Klaviyo asks how you want to start, choose the option to build your own. This gives you full control so you can match the timing and message to your store. Now you will set the trigger for this flow. Select Metric and then choose Started Checkout. This means the flow will start whenever someone begins the checkout process. This is important because it targets shoppers at a high-intent moment, when a reminder can bring them back before they forget or get distracted. After the trigger is in place, you will add a delay so the email does not send instantly. Drag a time delay block directly below the trigger. Set the delay to 2 hours. A short delay like this gives customers time to complete the purchase on their own, while still keeping your reminder close to the original shopping session. Next, drag an email block and place it under the time delay. This is the message your customer will receive after those 2 hours pass, as long as they still qualify for the flow based on the trigger. With the email block added, click Select Template. Choose an abandoned cart design. These templates are built for recovery emails and usually include helpful structure, like space for product details and a clear call to action. Pick the design that best matches your brand style, since consistent visuals can improve trust and recognition. When you are done selecting the template, click Save and Exit. This ensures your email content and layout are stored correctly before you activate anything. Finally, exit back to the flow overview and change the flow status to Live. Setting it to Live turns the automation on, so it can begin sending to eligible shoppers who start checkout going forward. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.